Reminder to all students, please turn on your camera and give a full attention on the program. Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Miss Noor binti Suhada, lecturer in charge of MAT037, Dr. Syafaruniza binti Mahadi, Dr. Nur binti Hassan, and Madam Noor binti Ngarisan, lecturers of MAT037. Our speaker, Dr. Noor Azura binti Noor Azhuan from University Technical Malaysia, Melaka, UTeM. Last but not least, to all my pre-diploma friends in UTeM Cawangan Johor Campus Segamat. Welcome to webinar collaborative teaching MAT037, Intensive Mathematics 1 for topic mean, mode, and medium for group data. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Idi Syamil Hafi bin Razman from JBA 0021D, and I will be the moderator today. To start our program, I would like to invite Ahmad Daniel Hakimi bin Ahmad Razwan from JBA 0021A to recite the doa.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Al-Fatihah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Ar-Rahmanirrahim. مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين حمدا يوافي نعمه ويكافئ مزيده يا ربنا لك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك وعظيم سلطانك اللهم صل Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Ya Allah ya Rahman ya Rahim, sesungguhnya kami berhimpun pada hari ini bagi menyatakan kesyukuran di atas kurniaan-Mu yang tidak ternilai. Jadikanlah kami hamba-hamba-Mu yang sentiasa bersyukur sama ada nikmat yang sedikit lebih-lebih lagi yang melimpah ruah kepada kami. Ya Allah ya Rahman ya Rahim, bersempena dengan majlis seminar matematik pada hari ini, kami mohon kudrat-Mu ya Allah agar Engkau berkatilah majlis ini. Engkau rahmatilah sekalian yang hadir di dalam majlis ini. Jadikanlah segala usaha dan amal kami sebagai amal yang Engkau redai. Ilhamkanlah kepada fikiran kami ide-ide yang benar, kreatif, kritis dan positif. Ya Zal Jalali wal Ikram, kurniakanlah jua kepada kami kesertaan anggota kecergasan minda, keterangan jiwa, kekuatan semangat. Semoga dengannya kami dapat berhadapan cabaran berdaya saing dan mampu mengangkat martabat diri, keluarga, masyarakat dan negara. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Amin, amin ya rabbal alamin. Thank you Ahmad Daniel Hakimi. Before we begin, let's get to know our speaker, Dr. Noor Azura binti Noor Azhuan. Dr. Noor Azura is a PhD holder in mathematics from University Technology Malaysia, UTeM. Currently, she is a lecturer at University Technical Malaysia, Melaka, UTeM, teaching mathematics for degree programs in Fakulti Kejuruteraan Elektrik dan Elektronik. She is experienced in research work and has many publications. She received several awards including JSPS Core to Core Program Grant, a full sponsorship for Japan and France trips. Without further ado, I would like to invite Dr. Noor Azura binti Noor Azhuan to share her knowledge with us. Please welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank the organizer for inviting me. Okay, so I was informed that this is actually the last topic in this chapter. Okay, so let me share my slide first. All right, so thank you for the moderator for the quick introduction. All right, so I'm Dr. Azura from UTeM Malacca. Today I was given the to teach you central tendency of a group data. So basically you will learn about mean, median and mode. So before I start my lesson, okay, let me share with you some of my teaching experience starting from 2016. So I start my teaching experience as a personal tutor. I have experience, okay, conducting program cuti sekolah and teaching at MAT student. So this is one of my student, okay, during my personal tutoring. And also I was given opportunity to teach STF student in a small group session. And then I also given opportunity to be a teacher in a Pusat Tuition Kit Jin during 2020 until 2021. So the first picture is from my Form 5 student and the second picture is from my Form 4 student. I'm teaching them maths and math, Form 4 and Form 5. And then during 2021, I gain experience, okay, by the role of guru ganti my step in SMK Tentua, Melaka. This is Form 1 student. I'm teaching them science actually. Okay, during that time, they were giving me a chance to be a science teacher. And then, okay, last year, I start my journey as a lecturer in College Junior Insan UTeM. So basically, this is actually a Form 1 student, but there, okay, we call them as Azhuan because they will take SPM during Form 4. So that's why, okay, we give them the name of a group as Azhuan. Okay, then okay, during September last year, I get an offer in UTeM space teaching Asasi student. Okay, so this is one of my class. This one we have around 41 students. Okay, I also have another one session, but I only got opportunity to have a picture with them only. And then the last one is bridging student. This is actually a group of international students. They need to pass this bridging program before they enter the degree program. So before I come to UTeM, okay, I gain experience teaching them. All right, so I believe that I have a sufficient experience, okay, teaching in this topic. So I really hope that everyone already prepare your own book, your exercise book, and also pen, because later we will do exercise together. All right, so make sure you already have your own paper or book. So today we will cover the concept of central tendency, where you will learn about mean, median and mode. So basically, what is actually a measure of central tendency? Okay, this is the idea about the measure of central tendency. Okay, actually, we want to give information about the center of a group of numbers. All right, so the data is actually divided into two, where the first one is ungrouped data and the second one is group data. So you must make sure you understand which type of data you have. All right, so today I will cover in the group data. So commonly, all right, we will use either mean, median, or mode. So basically, usually we will we will use mean. Okay, and it is called as average. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to share with you the slide for this one. Okay, let me share with you so that can we share the PDF file in Google Meet? Or can I share with your lecturer and then you can get access with the PDF file?
I think you can share with one of us.
Okay, I share with Dr. Shafa.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, so everyone get the PDF file now? Can you comment? Do you get the PDF file?
Wait, doctor, let me check.
All right, so let me continue. Okay. So the first one will be about mean. All right. So basically we call it as average, and this is actually the most commonly used value. And also we also often said that this is the best measure. It is because, all right, we include all the information in the data set. Okay. The mean is obtained by adding up all the data value and then we divide by the number of data. Okay, but usually, okay, when we have extreme value, we will not consider mean because mean will give a not accurate evaluation when we have extreme value. Right, so this is this is the formula for a mean. Okay, the summation of a frequency with the product of the midpoint, you divide by the summation of the frequency. So let's look at the example. Okay, The following table give the frequency distribution of a number of orders received each day during the past 50 days at the office of a mail order company. Okay, calculate the mean. So you are given the order, the number of order and also the frequency. So what you have to do, okay, you need to add two column, okay, where the first one is your X, okay, this is your midpoint. All right, this is your midpoint. And then, okay, after you add the third column, so basically how you find the midpoint. Okay, you have to remember to find the midpoint. Okay, take the lower value here, okay, 10, and then you plus together with the upper value, and then you divide by 2. Okay, you will get the answer 11. So this is how you obtain the value of midpoint. All right. So 13 plus 15 divided by 2, you will get 14. Am I right? 16 plus 18 divided by 2, you will get 70. And then the last one, 19 plus 21 divided by 2, you will get 20. So after that, what you have to do is you need to multiply the value of midpoint you obtain here, okay, with the frequency. So 11, you multiply by 4. Okay, 11 you multiply by 4, you should get 44. Okay, 14 multiplied by 12. Okay, this one you multiply together, you get 168. Please use your calculator. 14 multiplied by 12, you get 168. Okay, and then 17 you multiply by 20. Do you get 340? And then the last one is 20 multiplied by 14. You should get the answer 280. And then, so this is how you obtain the fourth column. All right. You write the subject as fx. And then next, the last part is, okay, you plus all to get all this value, 44. Okay, you plus with 168. and then you plus with 340, and then you plus with 280, you should get 832. Okay, I hope everyone get this value. All right, this value is actually from 44 plus 168 plus 340 plus 280. All right, so we need these two information before we substitute in the formula. Okay, make sure you understand how to find the summation of fx and also the summation of f. Okay, next, we write the formula, okay, the mean equal to the summation of fx divided by the summation of f. So you will get, okay, 832 divided by 50. The answer will be 16.64. So this is how you find the mean. Okay, remember, you need to add two more columns. The first one is the midpoint, and the second one is the product of your frequency and also the midpoint. So now, okay, I will give you 10 minutes. Okay, please try calculating the mean of the distance. Okay, the question given is about the distance jump by a certain number of students in a long jump event. Okay, after you have completed the calculation, please join the Jamboard. Okay, I will check the answer. I hope one of you can share your answer. All right, you can snap your answer and paste in the Jamboard. Later, we will discuss together. Okay, please also show the working, the table.
Doctor, can I answer?
Yes, sure.
The effect is 73.5. The F is 15. So
Can you,
73.5 divided by 15, we get 4.9.
okay, can you share your working? You can snap the answer and then you paste in the Jamboard. Okay, so that everyone can see. And later I will share this PDF.
Okay.
Do you know how to add a picture here? You can select the image you snapped just now. All right, so the first one, okay, correct. 4.7, 5.2, and also 5.7. All right, then, okay, 4.2 you multiply by 3. So that's how you obtain 12.6. 4.7 multiplied by 5. You get 23.5. 5.2 multiplied by 5. You get 26. And then 5.7 multiplied by 2. You get 11.4. Okay. Then you find the summation of the frequency. The answer is 15, correct? And then, okay, you plus together the fourth column. So that's how you obtain 73.5, correct? All right, so the answer, the final answer is 4.9. Okay, let's try the second question. Okay, the following table give the frequency distribution of the number orders received each day during the past 50 days at the XYZ company. So calculate the mean. Okay, if you have completed the calculation, you can share. Anyone can share. Okay. Don't feel shy. Okay.
Madam,
Yes.
the answer is 16.64. Is it true?
Yes. This is actually the same as the example. Do you aware? I just changed a little bit of the question. Okay. Basically, this is the answer you can refer from the solution in example. Okay, can someone share your answer here so that later when I give you the PDF, you already have the answer. Anyone would like to share your answer here before we proceed with the next part? Okay, so now let's continue with the next one is median. Okay, median is actually the middle value in ordered array of numbers. So basically, when you have extreme value, we often use median to find the central tendency. Okay. So this is the procedure to estimate the median. So the first one, okay, you have to find the cumulative frequency, and then you find the position of the median class, and then, okay, by using the formula of median, where you need to find the total frequency, the lower class boundary, the cumulative frequency, okay, then the cumulative frequency is for before median class. And then frequency is for the median class. Okay, you have to remember these two different symbols. Okay, the first one is the capital of F. Okay, the capital of F represent the cumulative frequency before median class. Okay, the small f refer to the frequency for the median class. And then the last one, you need to find the size of median class. So let's look at this example. Okay, based on the table, find the median. So you have data about the time to travel to work, and this is the frequency. So the first thing is you have to find the class boundary. So how you find the class boundary? Okay, this one in the basically, okay, you will have the upper value in the row. In the row before 1 until 10 is actually 0. And then what you have to do is you plus together 0 and 1, and then you divide by 2. This is how you find the lower boundary here. Okay, to find 0.5, this is actually, okay, 0, you plus together with 1, and then you divide by 2. And then how you find 10.5? Okay, to find the upper boundary, okay, this value you plus together with the lower value here. Okay, 10, you plus with 11, and then you divide by 2. All right, so you will get 10.5. So basically, okay, the lower boundary in the second row is actually the same value as a upper boundary in your first row. Okay, let me call it, this one is the first row, the second row, the third row, the fourth row, and the fifth row. Okay. You have to remember, okay, the upper boundary in the first row is equal to the lower boundary in the second row because you take the same value. All right, 11 plus 10 divided by 2, you will get 10.5. So next, you just need to find the upper boundary in the second row. So how you find the second boundary? 20, you plus together with 21, and then you divide by 2. Okay, 20 plus 21 divided by 2. So that's how you find 20.5. Okay, and then you just copy back the value of upper boundary in the second row to be the lower boundary in the third row. And then you calculate 30 plus 31 divided by 2. You should get 30.5 for the upper boundary in the third row. Okay, so this is how you obtain the class boundary. All right. Next, you copy back your frequency. This one, the frequency you obtain from, okay, this frequency, okay, you obtain from the question earlier. Okay, you just copy back the frequency. And then now we want to find the cumulative frequency. So how to find the cumulative frequency? Okay, first you just copy back, okay, the frequency in the first row, and then from the value here you plus together with this one to get the answer for this one. So 14 plus 8, you will get 22. And then, okay, 22 you plus together with 12, you will get the answer 34. And then 34 you plus together with 9, you will get the answer 43. And the last one, okay, 43 you plus together with 7, you will get, okay, the last one, 50. So actually you will straight away get the value of n, the number of observation. This is actually your n, the small capital of n. All right. Next, okay. After you get the cumulative frequency, now you need to find the median class. So how you find the median class? Just now, you already get the number of observation. This is your n. Okay, so use this formula, n divided by 2. So 50 divided by 2, you will get 25. So by looking at this cumulative frequency, okay, you look at this cumulative frequency. So where is your 25? Obviously 25 located here, okay, because this one started with 23 until 34. So that's why, all right, this is your median class. Okay, you must refer to your cumulative frequency to find the median class. Okay, can you follow? Okay, you must make sure you understand how to find the median class. Okay, now, okay, the last part is use this formula. Okay, you have to remember this formula. L plus N divided by 2 minus F. Okay, divided by F multiplied by C. So we need to find all these important value. So the first one is lower class boundary for median class. So how to find the lower class boundary? You have to use this value, okay? This is your lower class boundary. And then, okay, just now we already get N, the number of observation. All right, now we want to find the cumulative frequency before median class. So this is your median class. The keyword here is before. All right, before. That's why you choose 22. Okay, so after that, okay, you need to find the frequency for the median class. So remember, okay, they want you to find the frequency, not a cumulative frequency. So you have to take the frequency. Okay, the frequency is 12. All right, the last one is you need to find the size of the median class. So you can choose any of the row from the class boundary. Okay, the upper boundary subtract with the lower boundary. That's how you find the size of class. Okay, after you obtain all the important information, now you can substitute in the formula and you will get the answer 23. Okay, so let's try this question. The marks scored by 40 students in mathematics test are shown in the table below. Find the median value. Okay, please try now. I'm giving you 50 minutes.
Madam,
Yes.
the answer is 60.5.
Can you share your answer in
Yes,
Canva? Okay, let's check together. All right, so I don't see your your third column and fourth column. You should write the this one, the class boundary. This is how you write the answer during the examination. Okay, you need to copy back the class interval, and then you find the class boundary, and then followed by the frequency, and the last one, the last column will be the cumulative frequency. It's better for you to do it one by one. All right. And also write the subject. Okay. Can you write again the answer? Okay, very good. Okay, I really hope everyone write the answer this way. Okay, this table is you will have marks for this table, so make sure you write, okay, accordingly. Okay, let's look at your friend answer. Okay, the class boundary, this one. All right. Okay. Very good. Okay, then you copy back the frequency. But we no need to find the midpoint. Okay, make sure just this one also no need to find the FX. Okay, you just straight away find the cumulative frequency. And then, okay, you get the total number of observation is 40. And then 40 divided by 2, you get 20. So that's why, okay, this is your median class. All right, next, from this median class, okay, you need to find the limit, the lower limit. Okay, this is correct. And then the summation of F divided by 2, you get 20. And then, okay, you get 6. This is 6 you get from here, the cumulative frequency before the median class. And then, okay, divide by the frequency in a median class. And then you get the size of class 10. So the answer is 60.5. This is the correct one. But make sure, okay, don't find the median midpoint and the product of fx, because you only waste your time. We want to find the median value. Unless the question asks you to find the median, mode, and mean. So if let's say that's the question, so then you can write this, you can add this column. Okay. All right. Can you try another one question? Okay, the age of diabetic patient in hospital Meranti were recorded as follows. Find the median age.
Hey, Noor. Miss, I get 47. Is it correct?
Please first your answer. Let's
okay.
check together. Kenapa tak perlu cari midpoint? Because when you refer to the uh, median formula, okay, we don't need to find the midpoint. We don't need to we don't need the midpoint value. So that's why, okay, don't waste your time find the midpoint when you need to find the median. Okay, if you need to find the mean, then okay, you have to include the midpoint. Is it clear? Mursyidudin? Okay, so let's look at this answer. Okay, the class boundary, okay, correct. And then, okay, the cumulative. Okay, so you get the number of observation 140. So 140 you divide by 2, you should get 70. So 70 will fall under this row. Okay, so you just refer to this row. So the lower boundary correct, and then the cumulative before median class, and then okay, this is the frequency in a median class, and then multiply by the size of class. Okay, right. So this is how you find the median. Okay, let's learn the last part on this topic. Okay, the last one is MAT. So what is MAT? MAT is the most frequently occurring value in a set of data. So for a group data, so this is the procedure to estimate the MAT by formula. The first one, okay, you need to find the model class. So where is your model class? Okay, basically your model class is actually the highest frequency. And then, okay, use this formula to calculate the MAT. Okay, the lower class boundary of a model class, you plus together, okay, with the numerator part will be the difference between the frequency of a model class and the frequency before it. Okay, this one, the frequency, model class, and frequency before it. This is your D1. Okay, D2 is the frequency of a model class and the frequency after. Okay, just now D1 is a frequency of a model class with the frequency before. Okay, D2 is the difference between the frequency model class and frequency after the model class. And then, okay, just now we already learned how to find the size of model class. The formula is same. Okay, so look at this example. Based on the table, okay, we want to find the MAT. Okay, again, you need to add a new column to find the class boundary. Okay, then you rewrite your frequency. Okay, then you find the cumulative frequency. So from the cumulative frequency, you will obtain the number of observation, and then okay, remember the model class is your highest, is the class with the highest frequency. So by looking at the frequency, you have 8, 14. Okay, you have 8, 14, 12, 9, and 7. So the highest value is 14. So that's why this is your model class. All right, next, okay. You need to find all this important information, the lower class boundary for the model class, okay. So this is your, okay, basically this is actually your lower class boundary. And then you need to calculate the difference between the frequency of a model class and the frequency before it. So refer to this one. Okay, 14 minus 8, you will get the answer 6. And then, okay, you need to find D2. D2 is 14 minus 12, where this is the difference between the frequency of model class with the frequency after it. So you need to refer to this one. And then, okay, just now we already learned how to find the size. And then you substitute all this information in the formula and you will get the answer for the mod. Okay, so please try this one. Okay, the marks scored by 40 students in mathematics test. Find the mod value.
Madam,
Yes.
the answer is 56.2142.
Share your answer. Okay, so the class boundary, let's look at the class boundary first. Okay. And then, okay, you get the, from the cumulative frequency, you get the number of observation is 40. And then, okay, you get the highest frequency is 14. So basically the lower boundary for the model class is for 50.5. Okay, this one. And then you need to find D1, 14 minus 6. And then D2 is 14 minus 8. Okay, the size is correct. So this is the answer. Okay, let's try the last one. Can you share the full working? Okay, so let's put it side by side. Alright. So you get the correct class boundary. Okay. And then, okay, by referring to the frequency, so basically this is your model class. Okay. So you need to find D1. 50 minus 40, you get 10. Okay, correct. And then 50 minus 25, 25. So the size of class is 15. Then you substitute all the information in the formula. So you get the answer. Okay. So if let's say you have more than two or three decimal places, okay, you can round off to, usually we round off to 3 decimal places. Okay. 2 is accepted, by one round off to 1 is not recommended. Okay, so you have to remember either 2 or 3. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you everyone. Sebelum saya akhiri saya punya session, okay, manakan saya rasa sangat beruntung, okay, dapat bersama-sama dengan kalian. Seperti yang saya faham, kalian sebenarnya adalah pra-diploma. Pra-diploma ni maksudnya dia dia perlu ambil dia perlu pass pra-diploma sebelum kita masuk betul-betul diploma, betul?
Betul, betul, betul.
Sebab nak perbaiki result SPM. So maksudnya ni adalah second chance. Betul? Semua
Betul.
memang Malay. Malay ke ada Indian dengan Chinese sekali?
Semua Malay.
Semua Malay.
Bumi Putra.
Semua boleh. Bumi Putra.
Semua boleh.
Okay, so semua patut rasa bersyukur sebab terpilih untuk masuk pra-diploma ni. Tak semua orang dapat peluang ni. Betul? Macam mana cara minta ni tu?
Kena mohon dulu. Lepas BSP tu mohon terus.
I see. Saya ada kenal dengan seorang ex student pra-diploma. Saya rasa semua pra-diploma memang dekat UTeM Segamat, betul? Saya tak pasti ada dekat UTeM lain ke tak.
Ada kampus lain pun ada.
I see. Yang saya kenal tu dia bekas student UTeM Segamat seingat saya. Dia dah tamat lah diploma dia. Betul. Tapi apa yang saya rasa bersyukur lah dia dapat pra-diploma. Sebab apa? Dia sebenarnya seorang yang tak dapat peluang belajar dekat sekolah menengah. Tapi kakak dia usahakan juga untuk dia ambil SPM under special case yang mana dia, yelah sebab dia tak pergi sekolah menengah kan. So dia just sit for exam untuk SPM. So sebabkan tu dia tak dapat mohon untuk matrik ataupun diploma pun dia perlu buat pra-diploma kerana consequence tu lah sebabkan dia tak ambil ni kan, dia tak masuk sekolah. So dari apa yang saya tengok lah daripada situ, okay, dia menggunakan sebaiknya second chance yang dia ada ni untuk improve life dia. Dia study betul-betul, saya nampak usaha dia. Dia memang gunakan masa sebaiknya untuk cover balik apa yang dia tak dapat sebelum ni. Dan dia alhamdulillah, okay, dia berjaya dapat first class diploma. So apa yang saya harapkan sebenarnya, okay, kita jangan down. SPM kita tak okey. Itu sebenarnya kita nak ada turning point sebenarnya. Apa yang penting sebenarnya adalah kita dah rasa tak nak berubah. Kita perlu ada rasa tu. Rasa nak berubah, nak ubah diri kita, nak ubah masa depan kita. Kalau kita tak manfaatkan sebaik mungkin second chance ni, kita tak pasti lagi bila kita dapat peluang ni di masa akan datang. Betul tak? Sebenarnya susah kan sebenarnya nak terpilih sebagai budak pra-diploma. Setahu saya ramai sebenarnya tak dapat. Anda adalah insan yang sangat terpilih, yang diberi peluang belajar dan yuran ada dapat allowance. Betul ke? Tak. Dapat
Betul.
siapa je yang ni memang insan yang sangat beruntung ni sebenarnya. Okay, so manfaatkan sebaik mungkin. Saya harap sangat-sangat, okay, semua student yang join hari ni, okay, dapat keputusan yang cemerlang, terutama dalam course ni, okay, dapat 4 flat, and then CGPA last sebelum CGPA pun dapat 4 flat supaya senang nak masuk diploma nanti. And then dia sebenarnya, okay, sekarang ni kita dah kena start ada mindset macam mana cara kita nak handle life kita dalam peringkat universiti. Kalau sekarang kita berjaya dapatkan momentum belajar di universiti, insyaAllah apa-apa pun mesti mudah. Diploma ke, degree ke, itu semua yang saya tekankan lah kepada pelajar-pelajar saya. Saya memang cakap dengan mereka, okay, sekarang ni memang rasa susah sebab kita baru nak kena handle sendiri kita punya timetable, Okay, nak catch up dengan beberapa subjek dalam masa yang terdekat. Tapi benda ni, okay, once kita dapat momentum ni, insyaAllah memang akan mudah. Masa akan datang sebab dia akan sama sahaja. Okay, tak kisah apa pun course yang kita ambil. Okay, so itu sahaja daripada saya. Terima kasih banyak semua atas full attention yang diberikan hari ini. Saya rasa sangat berterima kasih. Okay, so ini sahaja daripada saya. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Terima kasih, madam.
Terima kasih, madam.
Thank
you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam. Sayang, madam. Madam. Love you, madam.
Thank you.
Terima kasih, madam.
Thank you very much, Dr. Noor Azura,
Thank
for
you,
the very
madam.
inspirational sharing. We will now start with a Q&A session. Anyone has any question? If no more question, then let us know. If no more question, then let us proceed. Next on the agenda, I would like to invite Ms. Noor Zulaiha binti Suhada, lecturer in charge of MAT037, to give a speech. Please welcome.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day. You all can hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay. Especially to our speaker for this program, Dr. Noor Azura, my colleague Dr. Shafaruniza, Dr. Nurhana, Madam Shazana, and our moderator for this program. And last but not least, for sure, to all my beloved students, MAT037. Okay, Allah giving us a chance to meet program 037 with UTeM. Okay, so on behalf of UTeM and also project leader for this program, I would like to say a million thanks to the speaker, Dr. Azura, for accept the offer as a speaker, share her knowledge, experience, also inspirational talk, right? Hopefully the student can get something from this program. Kalau you all muka hari-hari pun bosan juga kan? So let me invite someone from the others lah. Okay, and also the network that Azura also here. Okay, maybe we can invite you later, Doctor. Okay?
InsyaAllah boleh.
Okay. Alright. So I think that's all. Okay. Thank you so much for your patience. Tadi tak sabar nak live the program tu. Alright. So again,